Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every week. So today I am doing another patriotic tumbler. This one's even more simple than the last one. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Let's go. So this is a water bottle that I have had forever, and it's just been sitting on my shelf. And I got this from Amazon, I believe, but it's not sublimation. It's powder coated, and I thought, well, this is perfect. We'll just go ahead and sand down this lightly. And then this is a great starter tumbler for people who either can't paint on them or don't have the ability to paint different colors. So I'm going to take my electrical tape and cover up the threads because I don't want to get any epoxy on that. And then once that's done, I put the little tumbler, that thing, into the cup. And then I'm going to take that tape again around it just to keep that secure. And then I'm also going to take that tape and go down where the silver part is, but leave a little bit of sliver of that silver showing so that it will get the epoxy and will keep this cup sealed. I went ahead and printed out with my silhouette, or well, my printer first, stickers that I made, and then I cut out using my silhouette. There was one that was just being stubborn, and I don't think it cut all the way, so I just ended up not using that one. And I'm just going to place these stickers. That big heart flag one I'm sticking on the bottom. And then I'm just going to randomly place these stickers all around the cup. And I have not sealed these stickers yet. A lot of times when I cut out them and stick them on the cup, I like to then seal them while they're on the cup. Makes it a little bit easier for me. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Now that that's done, I do take this outside and I do put a clear spray sealer on it 2 to 3 times. Once that's dry, I add I just did one big coat of epoxy. I used about 20 milliliters and it was smooth. So I printed and cut out the other thing that I made. It just says America, America, America. And I put the happy face with the sunglasses on top of it. I could not find exactly what I was looking for on Creative Fabrica, so I just decided to make it. And I'm just going to place these kind of randomly around too. That way, no matter where the lid fits on, it's not going to matter. But I really liked the stacked on top of each other type of look with the stickers underneath. So I'm once again going to go out and seal this. Once that's dry, I do my 2 final coats of epoxy. And this is what we have. And I love it. It's so simple, easy to do. Anybody can do it. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and remove the tape and take out the little foam pieces and put the lid back on. And look how cute this is. And there's absolutely no glitter. So this is perfect for a man or a woman. A lot of men don't like the glitter, you know. So this perfect for kids. I think it's absolutely awesome. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.